fan here. We're gonna be playing Bee Storm Simulator like all the time. So we're on my VIP server, and then when I first saw the fan, I'm like, "How do you get in here? If you don't tell me, I'm gonna report you." He's like, "Wait, don't. I'll tell you who I am. I'm the person that I watched your YouTube video," and I'm like, "What? Really?" So it was crazy. I was so happy. Yeah. And then, sorry, dude. But yesterday was my birthday. You need to know that. Cleamake. Oh, and we're gonna call you LeBron James for now. LeBron James. Cleamake. Sorry, but it didn't work the first time, so this is tape 2, just so you know. Cleamake.
Yeah, tape 2.
I mean LeBron James and.
He's not Cleamake.
No, Cleamate.
I want to get up there.
That's his name, Cleamate, or something like that. My name's not Gummy. Your name's Gummy, you dummy.
Candy, whatever your name is, Donkey.
Why do you call me Gummy? Your name's Gummy.
I'm a piece of gummy. You haven't checked me out.
Bummy, you're Bummy.
You're the real player, guys.
Boom. Oh, and then earlier, his sister, his girlfriend, or whatever, who that person is.
He's gonna get mad at you.
I don't care. I don't know who it is really. But thanks for watching, dude. He went to the video that I gave the VIP server link. I am never putting a VIP server link ever again because there's gonna be too much people inside the VIP server and it's gonna be too crazy.
And you're gonna get blocked from your own VIP server.
I'm not gonna be able to play it, so you're gonna go to that video. I'm losing battery. Dude, move. I'm losing battery.
You're losing battery.
Yeah, I'm losing battery. Battery.
Try and get inside here like me.
I am going to go to Tunnel Bear and I'm going to pretend I'm going there because I'm pretending I'm savage and what the? I'm glitched.
I wonder how.
I got hit in the head. But no, I need. I'm glitched.
Glitch from you.
I was. The word "was" is a different word than the word "does." The next B I'm going for is Rage B, level 7. I think I already have a Rage B for level 7, remember? Yeah.
Rage B for level 7. Next video we might be playing.
Yeah, but it's my birthday.
Did he friend you?
Booyah.
You should ask him for a friend.
Dude, if you want to friend us, I'll accept for 1 week. Then I have to unfriend you if you want to. I thought he accepted it. Oh, and earlier.
Or if you really did you like the video?
It does not matter. Hey, dude. I need pollen to use the converter. Need pollen to use the converter.
Wait, does he know it's summer or no?
No, it's not. I don't think, because my birthday's 3 days before school starts.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm so happy. Oh, and I got a Robux gift card for $25 from my brother. He gave me it. Yeah.
Yeah, yos. He got in the 200s. No, not in the. Way more than.
Wait, what do I want?
Way more than 300.
Wait.
Way more than 400.
I'm trying to figure out what I want to use my
way
treats
on.
on.
Way more than 600. Way more than 700. Way more.
Shy B? All Shy B?
Way more than 1,000. Way more than.
All of the Shy B.
No.
Shy B lives strawberry. Like I did not know that.
1,000.
Yes.
Robux.
Pineapple Shy B.
On this.
Let's go.
Don't know. If you're wondering why do I have a Santa suit on right now?
That's because you are Santa.
Oh, you want to see me being Santa? I'll put on my big, chunky beard. Yeah?
Oh. Let's go over here. Oh, God. Never mind.
Oh.
I have an idea.
Ooh.
We should give our mom $4. No. Never mind. Shh. Yeah. So where do we go? Where do you think I should go? I think I should go nowhere. I have no idea. I have no idea where I should go. Oh no.
I'm gonna oof. I oof. I backspace.
That's because you died.
Why don't I get my beer?
Thank you guys for watching. It's me,
want my
Gummy,
beer.
and my brother. You know what? You know what? Send a friend request.
My beard have not.
I asked you a friend request.
Players.
You can answer yes or no.
I'll be back.
After the video comes out, then I'll tell you. Okay? Why are you saying bye? You left game?
I'm coming
You
back.
traitor.
Tell him-
You traitor.
tell him
You
I'm
traitor.
coming
You
back.
traitor.
I just
You
want my
traitor.
furry
You
beard.
traitor.
Look at it.
Where are you furry feet?
What?
I say you have a furry feet.
Let me see.
Let's go.
Corona fria.
Oh, LeBron James.
Friends.
I said this to K-Mac. How did I say it to him? Private chat to him.
Are you private chatted?
I guess.
What did you say?
Accidentally. You're in a game! My hero! No. No. I do not trust you because you're evil. You leave the game of Beast Swarm Simulator. Guys.
What's the problem?
Guys, who wants to be
I
a
just
VIP
wanted
server
my
for Zombie
beard.
Rush? I'll keep it the VIP
Tell
server.
him to come look at me.
What?
I wish I could take off my helmet.
Ho, ho, ho.
So I can show him. Oh. I don't have my real beard.
I got this
look at my
cannon.
beard.
I got this cannon. Cannon.
Wait, dude, can you do it? Could you say Santa?
I'm Santa. I'm Santa. I'm Santa. I'm Santa. I'm Santa, dudes. Fan coming through, fan. Mr. D. Santa. You Mexican? Or Mexican too? What?
No.
It's me. B-day. A day ago. Well, it's my birthday. I want everyone to know that.
You like my new beard?
But
You
no
rip it
English.
off my head. That was
Okay, cool. Well, I'm Mexican.
Wait,
Happy
you
New
wanna
August.
Ask him if he wants to be in your VIP server in Zombie Rush.
Maybe.
You could pause the video.
Dude. I'll give you VIP server link of Zombie Rush after vid. Then we can play Zombie Rush. Oh my gosh, I don't type that fast. Really. I can't believe it. I recorded how to get bronze amulet. What the? I have silver and amulet. I have silver and
I want
amulet.
an amulet. How do I get those?
You need to be. Do you have 20 bees?
20? I think so. Let's count.
1, 2, 3, 4. No,
1.
I am not going to count for you. Oi! Let's see how much longer the video can go. Oh!
I have.
What? The charger's not in. It's in. What the heck?
Oh.
Let's get in. What the?
That happens to me. It's torture.
Is it in yet?
What did he say? I am what?
Yes, it's in.
What did you say?
I-
What?
I have silver and amulet. I'm half gold. What the?
He has a gold one.
What?
He actually does. Look.
Oh, lucky. No, you do. Don't try making someone else get all the credit.
His.
Oh, it's yours. I mean his.
I
What?
got one.
I'm still recording, dude. Oh,
Look at my beard.
guys, I'm sorry the video has to end I'm sorry the video has to end so quickly, but
Guys,
Bye,
you
guys.
enjoy the beard.
hope you enjoy the video. But